C3H8 Lewis structure. So to draw the Lewis structure of C3H8, at first you have to count the valence electron present in this molecule. Carbon is in group 4a, so it has 4 valence electron, and it has 3 atoms, so multiply by 3. So we are getting 12 valence electron for carbon. Then we have here hydrogen. Hydrogen is an element of group 1a, that is why it has 1 valence electron, but here we have 8 hydrogen atoms, so multiply by 8. So totally in C3H8 molecule we have 20 valence electron. We have another way to find out the valence electron of this molecule. So here is the electronic configuration of carbon. Here second shell is the valence shell, and in second shell we have 2 plus 2, 4 valence electron, right? Then for hydrogen, first shell is the valence shell or outermost shell, so in this shell we have 1 valence electron. So basically we have 20 valence electron for C3H8 molecule, and this 20 valence electron has 2 functions at the same time. This valence electron will connect these atoms and satisfy the octet and duet of carbon and hydrogen respectively. So let us connect. Remember, hydrogen is always considered as an outer atom, so carbon is the central atom, right? So to connect, what will happen? I will put 2 valence electron, right? So already we have connected the central atom, right? So now I will connect hydrogen, right? Look, a carbon has 4 valence electron. It can to complete its octet, it can form maximum 4 bonds, right? So a carbon has the ability to form 4 bonds. This carbon already has formed 1 bond, so it can maximum form 3 bond, right? So with 3 bond it will receive 3 hydrogen. This carbon already has formed 2 bonds, so it can maximum form more 2 bonds. One single bond means 2 dots. Look, this carbon has 1 bond, so it can form more 3 bonds, right? So look, already we have used 2, 4, 6, 8, then 12, 14, 16. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we have used all the valence electrons, right? So now we'll check for the octet and duet. So look, this carbon has 8 valence electron, so it has fulfilled its octet. This carbon also has 8 valence electron, so it has also fulfilled its octet. And this carbon also has 8 valence electron, right? So also this carbon has fulfilled its octet, and this hydrogen has fulfilled its duet. This hydrogen also has fulfilled its duet. So same case is for all the hydrogen, right? So we can say that this is the Lewis structure. So here is the structure. Look, okay. This is the Lewis structure. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.